Hey all, welcome to my channel, Holistic Beauty RN. If you're new here, I'm a registered nurse, soon to be family nurse practitioner who enjoys making content that provides evidence on remedies that have been proven to work. So stay tuned for another great video, and remember, happy hair is healthy hair.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
RN, today I am going to show you guys a quick demonstration of how I make my homemade shea butter cream. So first and foremost, we're going to start off with some raw shea butter. Can you guys see that? I know my camera's kind of in a strange angle here, but I have my rosemary oil. And I have my peppermint oil. And this one isn't labeled, but this is just my castor oil. I actually have it in another bottle. I just bought one of these homemade, or one of these glass dropper bottles, so that it could be easier to add the castor oil in there. But it's just basic black castor oil. And then of course, a blender of some sort. I'm gonna add a little clump here. And then I'll probably add another little piece. I don't need too much because this stuff will really last, you know, especially if you're moisturizing your hair with this stuff. I use it, tend to use it at least 3 times a week. So for my peppermint oil, I'm just going to add about 2 drops in there. There's really no number set in stone as far as how much you need to add. Just don't go overboard with it, because these essential oils are very potent, meaning that 1 drop of it can contain such a high dose of the actual oil. So, you know, too much in this instance, less is more. You know, you don't want to oversaturate the mixture with this stuff, because it will be too much, which can actually not be a good thing. So I just go ahead and put 3 drops of my rosemary oil. Just add that in there. 3 drops of my castor oil. My jojoba oil, and I'm going to actually add 5 drops of the jojoba oil, like I said, to each his own. I've got my shea butter cream here, and trust me, you guys, with this, a little goes a long way. Again, don't forget those ends. Hang on my hair, y'all. Check out these inches. Your girl is draping. Your girl is draping. Check that out, yo. Yeah. I wish I had a ruler. I'd measure it out right now. Like, comb through my hair just to kind of get it really evenly distributed. And but just so you guys can kind of get a closer look, I'm just kind of going. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell for notifications for future videos.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's